Welcome to Casa Milano's Italian kitchen. On this World Pasta Day, we are going to show you how to cook an authentic Italian pasta faster and easier. This integrated refrigerator keeps everything perfectly chilled. Your veggies stay crisp and ready for action. Casa Milano kitchens are designed for efficiency. See these pull-out shelves? They bring all your ingredients and utensils within arm's reach. No more searching through cluttered drawers. Look at this spacious countertop, designed to be easy clean, because let's face it, cooking gets messy. First up, check out the sleek ceramic hob. It heats up in seconds with precise temperature control. Need boiling water instantly? The cooker tab has you covered. Time to add our spaghetti. An authentic Italian pasta dish made with speed and ease thanks to Casa Milano's functional kitchen design.